Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this cutest penguin costume in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI fashion hacks, I'll show you how you can create this ultimate penguin look, cute, cozy, and totally trend-setting. So in here, this is the look of the penguin, and I'm going to show you how you can get this. First, you just need to make your skin tone into black. So use a black skin tone like this, and then put on the hot dog costume. Okay, this one. Put it on and make the first color black and the rest of it white. Okay, and after that you can head to the accessory and put on this fur hat and change it into black. And let's find the glasses, this white eyeglasses, and leave it as it is. And now you can find this hat. So for the mouth, you can go to the hat in here in the man section and change it into this color, this orange color. You can use this hex code for the orange color, and then put on the leg warmer, this one, and choose the same color as the mouth, which is orange, like this. And lastly, put on this shoe, this one, and also change it into orange. So you'll get this penguin look. So guys, whether you are searching for a fitter vibes or just waddling around in style, this penguin outfit is a must try. And that's all for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more adorable outfit hacks. Bye!